This is lesson 5. This Python variables will be split into 6 different parts. Python variables, variable names, assign multiple values, output variables, global variables, and that's it. So this is part 1, Python variables. Variables. What are they? Variables are containers for storing data values. Creating variables. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For example, casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. For example, here. Get the type. You can get the type of data of a variable with the type function. For example, here. You will learn about data types and casting later in this tutorial too. Single or double quotes. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. For example, case sensitive. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, here. A is capital, A is lowercase, they are 2 different variables. That's it for today. Come next time to do variable names. Bye!